Hi, my name's Claire and I'm a web developer at Hullabalook. I've worked here for 11 months now.
My name is Rory. I'm the head of package solutions and I've been at Hullabalook for 4 years.
I first became interested in coding through my previous job, which was in supply chain, and I worked a lot with Excel spreadsheets to improve and automate certain processes, and this was part of the job that I really enjoyed and found it kind of similar to coding in a way, so I decided to learn some more coding just through online resources, and then I ended up training at a coding bootcamp when I decided that I wanted to turn it into a career.
I first got into coding in secondary school. I feel fortunate that the school I went to took IT very seriously. They had some good infrastructure that students could use. At that time, over 20 years ago now, I'd been using computers to be able to see a bit about how computers really work underneath. I mean, that really fascinated me, and it still does to this day.
My role is primarily front-end development, and so that means that I'm focused on developing the parts of the Hullabalook technology that shoppers interact with on retailers' websites. So this usually encompasses following like a design brief from the retailer, just to make sure that our part of the retailer's website looks great and it's easy to use and understand. And then I'll also be involved in creating some of the functionality for how this technology works.
My role is very varied. In the course of a day, even in the course of an hour, I can go from looking at a front-end related issue, diagnosing some issue with the infrastructure, just different types of bugs and tasks and issues across the whole stack.
I'd definitely say that I've learned a lot since joining Hullabalook, and I think that the main thing that I would say that I've learned is to go kind of from training and learning how to code into then going on to work as a developer in a commercial environment, and so you kind of learn how much more there is to the process. It's really interesting to kind of just be involved in that process from start to finish and see how all the different pieces of the puzzle fit together.
I've definitely learned a lot since joining Hullabalook. I've learned about different solutions to problems I've experienced before, completely new problems, learned a lot from colleagues, and I've definitely learned a lot from our customers and the industries that they work in.
What excites me most about being a developer is that technology is constantly evolving, and so there's always a new challenge or a new problem to solve, and it's really nice to be able to do a job that I find fun.
The favourite thing about my role, I think, is some of the problems that we face in engineering at Hullabalook are, other companies have faced those problems, but some of what we're doing is actually really new and cutting edge. And when we're working on these kind of brand new problems that there aren't really solutions for yet that others have had, that's kind of the most exciting thing.
The relationship between my team, which is customer engineering, and platform engineering, is that because they build and maintain the platform that we work on a day-to-day basis. So I guess a lot of it is us going to them for support and advice on the projects that we're working on, and I think they're a great resource to have to be able to go to for help, because they're very knowledgeable and very experienced, and so I think we learn a lot from them on a day-to-day basis.
Our teams interact a lot, aside from ensuring that our customers actually have a good experience with our technology. we're also, you have to ensure that our platform internally is reliable and has all the features that app developers need to deliver their apps to our customers.